Mommy. Okay, ready? Hi. There's a wave. There's a baby wave, baby. Have fun. Yeah, I know. You know how to open these doors now. I know. This is a new stage. Thankfully, the doors at our house are a little more difficult. Because these ones, all you gotta do is pull it down, but the ones at our house, you kind of gotta do a round turn thing, which is a little more difficult. Where's your green car? It's over there, yeah, it's on the floor over there. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah? Is it nice to be in the courtyard?
Yeah.
Feel that breeze?
Here.
There's Hunter. There's Hunter in the reflection, yeah. That's Hunter. It's Hunter, yeah. Hi. 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 Want to see the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Round and round. The mommy's on the bus say shh, 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 shh. The mommy's on the bus say shh, shh, shh. All through the town. The daddy's on the bus say I love you, I love you, I love you. Yeah, I love you, I love you. The daddy's on the bus say I love you. Oh, are you getting tired, honey? Are you getting tired? Yeah, you've been awake for a few hours now. Okay.
I got my Warby Parkers in the mail, and right now I'm wearing the gym glasses that I talked about earlier, but these are one of the pairs that I tried on in my video on my channel. I think it was number 3, called Yardley.
The number 3 glasses choice.
Yeah, which initially I wasn't really into because I thought the color.
But then a lot of people told you they liked it, right?
Yeah, you know, based off people's comments, for some reason I think that kind of like convinced me that, oh, you know what, I should kind of give it another thought.
Yeah.
And then when I was looking back on photos and on the video, I was like, actually it is pretty flattering, and the color was growing on me.
Right.
Which is good, so thank you guys for your input. So I'm going to take these ones off. I like these because they're kind of like a grayish, bluish color, which is different from any of the glasses that I've ever had in the past. And they're really thin. The nice thing about these is that it has adjustable nose pad, which is good because I don't really have a defined nose bridge. So this kind of helps them sit at a good place without it moving around so much. And I've had problems with them in the past. Anyway, let's try on the Yardley. What do you think?
Yeah, I like those too, actually.
All right, so we decided which glasses I picked out, and why don't you guys take a guess? I'm gonna give you guys 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the winner is boom! I talked to Logan about it, and each of these were both under $100. So we figured, I mean, I've spent far more than that on my previous glasses. You know, the designer brands or whatever. So we figured, I mean, they both look nice in our opinion. So we're gonna keep them both.
You both. Yeah, it's good to have 2 pairs of glasses. I'll probably should get myself another pair eventually.
Yeah, you should. I mean, I feel like every 2 years, Logan without fail will lose his glasses.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And we've never been able to find them.
Yep, so it's good to have a backup pair.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, that's the decision.
Cool.
Hunter should be waking up soon. We go to the beach. Yeah. Are you pushing Daddy? What do you want Daddy to do? What? Well, we're not going to watch TV right now, Hunter. We're going to go to the beach, okay? So we are going to go to the beach right now, Hollywood Beach here in Oxnard. I'm gonna use my GoPro for the first time, probably go in the water and just test it out. I don't really expect to really get any great footage or anything. Because I didn't get to test at that Edelman part. That was a bust, that bust of a hike. All right, and we gotta rub that sunscreen into your face, buddy. You gotta rub that sun. What are you doing, eating that? Don't be silly. Don't be silly. When Hunter first saw me with my GoPro on, he got a little SCARED. But we just told him it's a silly hat. Then he was cool with it. Mm-hmm. That's your sunscreen, so you don't get sunburned. Here you go to the beach. The beach. Car. Car. We're at the beach, Hunter. What do you think?
You like it?
Yeah. Yeah. You're excited to be here, huh? You smell it? It smells salty. Smell that?
Smell the ocean?
Smell the ocean? Seagulls. 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 Look, mommy. I'm at the beach.
Dog? You hear dog? So many dogs.
Hunter. Whoa.
We're gonna build a sandcastle. Ready? It's gotta be wet in order for it to form. So mommy brought some seawater. You don't need it, okay? You just play with it. Ready? Let's build it like this. Watch. Ready? Here we go. Woohoo! Oh. That feel cool? Yeah. Like it?
Is that fun?
Yeah, crush it. Lots of texture. Yeah, it feels so sandy. You like it? Yeah. There you go. Yeah, use that. Can you scoop up the sand with it? Scoop up some sand. Good. Good digging. When I was little, I used to think that you could, if you dug far enough.
You get to China?
Yeah, you could get to
I thought that too when I tried.
I tried to. Little did we know that.
Little did we know, that's not how it works.
Not possible.
Well, I'm gonna put the old GoPro to the test and jump into the ocean right now. Okay, ready? All right, well, here we go. What's that? I know, they're kind of loose. Dude, what if I lost them in the ocean? What would you do? You have him, you can't like come to me. Shoot, there's no drawstring either.
Are you serious? You better hike those up.
I'm hiking them up real high, dude. Gonna try to catch a big old wave. Here's a big one. Whoa! You ready? We're gonna go in the water. Ready? Yeah. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Is this fun? Is this fun? It's water. It's water, honey. You like it? Yeah, okay. I'll pick you up. I'll pick you up. Oh, look at the waves. Look at these waves. Wow. Hi.
Okay, mommy's got your hand.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Is this a blast?
It's so fun. Logan, Sean? Wow.
There's a wave. There's a baby wave, baby wave, baby wave. And then the mommy and daddy waves are gonna come. No. There's a wave.
Let's sit up.
Ready? Is it a little weird? You tasted some salt water, buddy? I bet that wasn't very pleasant. Have fun. Dad's gonna take a little swim. See ya. Hi. Worried about Daddy? It's okay. Ready to go, buddy? Well, we had a nice time at the beach. Now we're heading back to the Oxnard house. I had a blast. I gotta turn the air on, says mommy. So that's what we're gonna do. Turn the air on, right?
Yes, please.
All right, so we're back in town, and we're gonna pick up some seafood at this restaurant called Fisherman's Catch behind me somewhere.
Car.
Yeah, there's cars. The Hunter. Look at this car right here. That's like your car. Look. Yeah, that's like your car, huh? You got some, what is this?
Snapper.
Snapper. You got some cod over there, the fish and chips. And a shrimp burrito. He's kind of indifferent to the fish, to be honest. He might like the fish and chips a little better.
You want another fry?
Oh yeah, the fries, of course. Of course, the fries. We all love fries.
You're all about the fries.
Okay, don't make a mess, baby.
There you go.
There you go. Yeah. He, probably like many babies, is a big fan of splish splashing in his water cup when it's not a sippy cup.
Look, there's a baby.
Look, there's another baby. Look, there's another baby. There's another baby. Yeah. It's awesome. Yeah. Hunter's obviously more interested in eating than socializing. Well, at the moment. Oh, what's wrong, baby? Oh, are you sad he went back in?
He's coming back out.
Hi. Yeah, there's not a little kid. Is that your greeting? Is that your baby greeting? Oh, you're sad he went in? You're sad he went in Coffee Bean? You saying hi? With little boy and girl pirate. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. What, honey? What? What's wrong? Want water? Hello, dessert. Some vanilla custard.
This place is so legit, you guys. Like, if you guys are ever in.
If you're ever in Oxnard, go to Buttercup on Woolley, right? Woolley in Victoria.
It's really good.
Vaughn's Plaza. Yeah. due to COVID-19, they've had to change from like they used to be self-serve, right? Like the normal. Yeah, they had to change from like the, you know, the typical frozen yogurt self-serve model to single serving prepared. Yeah, but still very good. Mmm.
You gotta share. You gotta share. Okay, fine. One last bite for Hunter, okay?
Want to intercept it. All right, now let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Hi. Just took a shower. That felt nice. I gotta put Hunter down. All right, Hunter. Let's say night night. Start this. Say good night. Bye bye. You had lots of fun at the beach and stuff, huh? Bye bye. Bye. I know it's weird. You don't understand we're saying goodbye to the camera. It's silly, I know. Good night. See you tomorrow. Love you. Where's mommy? You know which one's mommy? Yeah, that's mommy. Yeah, you're right. That's mommy. She was a kid. Yeah? Bye. They're gonna be in our video. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. That was an adventure. Adventure, huh?
I know.